Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? S plus which? Switch. H-I-H plus tier. Tier. Switch hitter. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our program. We have the same two competitors today who faced each other on yesterday's show. On my left, the young lady is our challenger. Her name is Rochelle de la Cruz. And welcome back to you, Rochelle.
Thank you.
Mother of two little ones. Soon to be the father of a little one, the man from Philadelphia, Dominic Lucente. Welcome back to you.
Thank you.
You are from Philadelphia.
Yes?
I just wonder if you are into Philadelphia cheesesteak sandwiches.
Well, a matter of fact, there's a friend coming out tomorrow night, and we got to order for cheesesteaks, the Daily News, soft pretzels, and a whole lot of other things.
Oh, really? And what are the other pastries they have in Philadelphia?
Oh, cannolis.
Cannolis?
Cannolis, yeah, cannoli. You never have them?
Well, yes, I have, but I was in Atlantic City recently, and I went to a place called the White House, and I had Philadelphia cheesesteak. Sensational stuff. Love that. Scrapple? I have not had Scrapple in a long time. See? Yeah. Dominic used to be, in a previous life, Dominic was a Roman emperor. Down. So long, gladiators. You're taking the fall. Let's take a look over here and see what we have in the way of a prize.
Hatteras Hammocks Relaxing Quartet includes 2 deluxe and 2 swing hammocks, hand-woven in cotton or polyester. Comes complete with stands and pillows, furnished by Hatteras Hammocks. Alex.
And where are they on our game board, please? They can be found quite easily in the upper right-hand corner. Hammocks for 2 at number 5. A holiday on the Caribbean isle of Nevis. And Dominic, you get to go first.
Okay, the hammocks would be nice since I'm lazy once in a while. So let's look under number 6.
Car telephone.
Okay, how about the match for the car phone under number 20?
Wild card, so it's working out for you. Good as gold indeed. The other car telephone at number 17. 3 doors. Swing them open for Dominic. Remember, this is a tiebreaker game.
This is for all the marbles here.
Yep. Try it again.
Okay, let's look under number 8.
Diamond pendant.
Diamond pendant. That jewelry just keeps coming my way, maybe. Let's look for the match, and now under number 12.
No, 200 California lottery tickets. Rochelle.
I like that. Let's see number 13, please.
Makeup case.
I like that. Okay, let's try number 23.
Makeup case, right. Same column, 2 pieces, a natural match. No waste of a wild card on that one. What happens? Select again, Rochelle.
Okay, let's go for number 25, please.
Compact disc player.
I can use that. Let's see number 10.
200 California lottery tickets. Dominic.
Ooh, let's look under number 12.
Right?
And maybe it'll be lucky for me. Number 10 for the match.
All right.
All right. Okay.
Home of the big lottery payoffs, California. Let's open these 2 panels. Try it again.
Okay, a little confusing right now. Let's open up somewhere under number 14.
Red take.
Red take. Let's look for the match for the red take under number 1.
No, Caribbean Isle of Nevis. Rochelle?
Okay, let's try number 21.
Gas barbecue.
And number 11.
No, red take. Dominic?
Number 15.
Wild card.
And gotta go for insurance. Number 11.
The red take. The other red take at number 14. Insurance for what?
Oh, in case she takes something later, gets a good trip. I got too many trips. I'm not going to have enough vacation time.
Oh, I see. All right, so because I thought for a moment there you've got something against the island of Nevis.
No, nothing against the island.
All right, you don't want to use it right now to grab the makeup case for your bride?
Take it.
No, I
Okay.
think I'll hold up on that.
All right, we will open these 3 panels on that middle line. Try it again.
Okay, let's look under number 8.
Diamond pendant.
I think I opened it up before. Let's look for the match for the diamond pendant under number 22.
Diamond pendant. There you go.
Krista's gonna love this.
Yeah, what about this?
And Alex is rubbing the tape. Makeup case. No, I'm gonna hold off.
All right, open it up. Select.
Okay, number 19.
Chef's barbecue tools.
California, you could barbecue any time of the year. So look for the match of the number 7.
Green take, Rochelle.
Okay. Let's look under number 18
Green take.
and number 7. Yeah.
Got the diamond pendant, the car phone, the lottery tickets. The Isle of Nevis is still on the board.
I'll save it. I'll save it. I have to save it because he's got this over there.
Open it up, please. 2 panels for Rochelle. Select again, Rochelle.
Okay, let's see number 3, please.
Hammocks
And
for
number
2.
5.
Right.
Yeah.
Just 4 prizes left up there, along with 1 wild card. You want to use the tape? Are you getting close to a solution?
Let me have the tickets, please.
Give her the lottery tickets. The California
Never know.
lottery
You can
tickets.
take the
You
tickets.
never know, she says. Open these 2
know.
panels. Is that going to bring her luck? Select again, Rochelle.
Let's
Dominic
see
is starting to whistle.
number
That's always a bad
19,
sign.
please.
Chef's barbecue tools.
And number 21.
Gas barbecue. Dominic.
Okay, number 9.
Gas barbecue.
And number 21 for the match.
Right? You have the red tape, and she's got...
I think I'm gonna hold off a little more too.
All right.
Even though it's getting next to nervous time here.
Okay, we'll open these 2 panels. Pick again.
Ooh, okay, number 24.
Wild card.
And let's look what's under number 25.
25 it is. Compact disc
CD,
player.
that's nice.
The other CD player at number 4. Red tape.
Oh, I'm gonna hold off again.
Open it up. All you have to do is make 1 match now, and you're going to clear the entire
All I have to
puzzle.
do is solve the puzzle too.
All right.
Let's look what's under number 2.
Caribbean Isle
And
of
number
Nevis.
1 for the match.
Yes. Now there's no point in holding on to this because the game will end in a moment.
Well, I guess you're really persuading me here, Alex.
All right.
So let's take the hammocks.
Take the hammocks. Take the hammocks. Hey, he likes hammocks. Give him hammocks. Open these 2 doors and then show him 16 and 19 because they will match. And the barbecue tools will go into Dominic's column. And as he pointed out a moment ago, you have to solve the puzzle. Can you do it, Dom?
My hold, kegs the key home.
My hold kegs the key home. No. Rochelle?
My old Kentucky home.
Is it my old Kentucky home? Not much in the way of prizes.
Very nice.
Oh, broke Dominic's heart on that one. He had a lot at stake. All right, go for it.
Okay, the M plus the I, the whole plus the D, my whole K plus the hen, the T plus the T, the whole plus the M, Kentucky home. My old Kentucky home.
Whole plus the M. Home. My old Kentucky home. Dominic, you're going to Hawaii, and you've got a lot of other prizes totaling $12,500.
I'm happy.
Good.
I'm
Congratulations.
happy. Michelle, good luck. Get that card.
Thank you.
All right, so long, Dom. Okay, Rochelle, let's hear about your prizes.
200 California lottery tickets and a makeup case. Sebastian Show Off, master the art of making up. Fashionable assortment of Truco lipsticks, powder, shadows, pencils, mascaras, and more, furnished by Sebastian.
And another chance to play for a brand new car after this. Good luck. Let's see if you can do it this time.
Thank you. 1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
2, 4,
No.
2, 7,
Yes.
10, 1,
No.
5, 10,
Right.
8, 11,
No.
6, 3,
No.
11, 3,
Yeah.
12, 4.
No.
1. 15.
Yes.
14. 6.
No.
13. 4. 8. 14.
That's okay.
Next time.
Next time. It's exciting, though, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
You've got over $3,000. That should excite you as well. And you're going on after this break. Welcome back. A few moments ago, we said goodbye to a player who looks remarkably like the young man I'm about to introduce. Actually, there was a discrepancy in that last game, so we're bringing Dominic back to compete in this one. So good luck to you, and good luck to Rochelle. It's still the tiebreaker game in the match. You each have a strike, and here is one of the prizes you're playing for.
Jules Jurgensen, his and her watches. His, a slimline 14-karat gold round case with leather strap and 12 diamonds. Hers, an oval adjustable bracelet with 20 diamonds and 30 rubies. Furnished by Jules Jurgensen.
And those watches are on the board behind this number, number 8. Just one wild card in this game, but we have the bonus seconds. We have $800 in the cash pot and a holiday in Puerto Vallarta. And Dominic, you select first.
Okay, let's look under number 6.
Green take.
And green take for insurance under number 20.
Puerto Vallarta. No match. Rochelle.
Okay. Number 23, please.
Sewing machine.
I can use that. Number 16.
Puerto Vallarta. No match. Dominic.
Number 20, Puerto Vallarta.
Yes.
And number 16 for the match.
Well, in the last game, you said you didn't want a trip because you've got too many already and you won't be able to get the time off.
Well, you know me by now. I'm a spaz case. You don't know what I'm going to do.
All right. I wouldn't have put it that way, but let's open these two panels and check it out. Select again, Dominic.
Okay, let's look under number 1.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. Let's look for the cash, which I can use under number 14.
His and her diamond watches, Rochelle.
Okay, number 8 and number 14.
8 and 14, wasting no time on those. She knows where they are. The diamond watches for Rochelle. And your husband's name is what?
Jimmy.
Jimmy. What kind of work does he do?
He remodels homes.
Oh, good. That's nice. That's a lot of fun.
Number...
Wait a minute. We want to open these up for you. You might be able to solve the puzzle right now. Don't pick
Going
numbers.
ahead of myself.
Anxious.
Is that your solution, going ahead of myself?
Yes.
Is it going ahead of myself? No, it isn't.
I would leave if it was.
Yeah, that would be amazing. Rochelle, pick again.
Okay. Number 25, please.
That's the red take.
And number 6.
Green take. Dominic.
Number 5.
Word processor.
Word processor. I'll have to learn to use a word processor, I guess. Number 17.
Oak mantle clock. No match.
Okay, let's look under number 10, please.
Dishwasher.
I need that. And dead center, number 13.
Body massager. No match again. Dominic.
Body massager sounds good. Let's look for a match for anything under number 23.
There is something there. It's a sewing machine.
And I just saw it, and I'm forgetting it, and I'm going to kill myself again. I'm going to try number 17.
Oak mantle clock. Rochelle.
Okay, let's go for number 2
Word processor.
and number 5.
Correct. That prize goes into Rochelle's column. We're still messing around the perimeter of this puzzle, though. Let's see what we do with these two doors opening. Try it again, Rochelle.
Okay, number 15, please.
5 bonus
Ooh,
car
I can
seconds.
use that. And number 12.
Wild card.
Yeah!
The bonus seconds are going to be Rochelle's, unless Dominic comes up with a take and steals them. The other ones are at number 19. 3 doors opening this time. Select again.
Okay, number 17
Oak mantle clock.
and number 18.
Dishwasher. Dominic.
Okay, let's look under number 13.
Body massager.
And number 24 for the match.
No. Red take. Rochelle.
Okay, let's go for number 9 and number 17.
Oh boy, you almost slipped and did what you did in your very first game. You lost concentration. You caught yourself in time here to make the match, And as a result, these two doors are going to reveal a little bit more. Try it again.
Okay. Number 10, please.
Dishwasher.
And number 18.
Right.
Yes.
He is indeed. He is indeed. Let's see what happens. A lot of prizes at stake.
The hole-in-one?
Is it the hole-in-one? No.
Okay. Number 4, please.
Sewing machine.
Number 23.
Sewing machine.
Yeah, I need that. I want that.
Good prize. Swing it open.
The whole knee.
The whole
knee.
The whole knee. No. Rochelle?
Oh, God.
No, it's not
Okay.
that.
It's not that. Dominic knows what it is, and you know what it is.
I know what it is.
All right.
Number 24, please.
Red tape.
And number 6.
Dominic?
Number 11.
Cash pot.
And number 1 for the match.
Cash pot is a match.
Okay.
Wait till we open it.
All right. The whole 9 yards.
The whole 9 yards. Yeah! And Dominic is right, and Dominic's the winner again. And Dominic is going to get some prizes. Come on. Yeah, good prize.
Okay. First we have then we have the manhole hole, 9, the whole 9, and we have 2 yardsticks, the whole 9 yards.
The whole 9 yards. And once again, Rochelle, you had it. You were
I had
there.
it in my mind. It just clicked too late.
Yeah, your brain just stops for a moment. But I'm so happy that you did win a couple of games and you picked up some prizes, including that wonderful vacation in Las Vegas. Close to
Thank you.
$4,000 for you, Rochelle.
Thank
Good
you.
luck. Congratulations.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
All right, Dominic, let's hear about your 2 prizes. Biggies. Gene.
A cash pot worth $800 and Puerto Vallarta. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Puerto Vallarta, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Vallarta in Puerto Vallarta. Over 25 acres of relaxation, fun, and entertainment, superb Mexican hospitality, furnished by the Crystal Vallarta. A prize package totaling $2,570.
Dominic breathes again. He lives, and he could win a brand new car when we come back. Well, Dominic mentioned it earlier in our program. He must have a horseshoe hidden away somewhere because he is enjoying some good luck today. And maybe it's all going to pay off big right now. 15 numbered squares. 5-0. Full 50 seconds on the clock, Dominic. Good luck.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
8. 5.
No.
6. 7.
No.
9. 12.
No.
4. 11.
No.
6. 12.
Right.
15, 14.
No.
1. 7.
No.
8. 10.
No.
13. 3.
No.
11. 1.
Right.
2. 8. 7. 9.
No.
10. 5. 15. This is getting embarrassing.
This is, ladies and gentlemen, in 4 years of doing this show, this is the first time I've ever seen a contestant do this to the screen. What is this? I mean, how can you expect somebody to win? I don't think there was a match for the Sundance up there, and you revealed that car about 4 times, but you were all over. You missed making an early match on the Justy. You went back 2 or 3 times, and you never made it, and I think that may have thrown you because you got so frustrated at that point. So I'm calling every number up there, and it doesn't matter. But you've got close to, you're $1 shy of $15,000 in prizes, and you're going to play again. So if you get back to the winner's circle, you'll have nearly a minute, 55 seconds, a lot of time. We'll take a break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm 3-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
I don't know if it's because Dominic did this for the screen, but Marjorie came down here and she says, look at the shoes he's wearing. Look at how different our footwear is today. And she's looking at her gold pumps, and Dominic has these fancy running shoes, and but he's won $15,000 on this show. And what have you won?
Nothing.
Pokey's not even here today. No. And Dominic's coming back tomorrow to try to win some more, and we hope to see you then. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.